Hello everyone, welcome to French Learning, and I'm so happy to have you in our French class. Today we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in French with Rachel, your teacher. Beginning right away, first things first, we are going to first go and see the greetings. How do we greet someone when we find them? It depends on the formal and the informal of the situation. So we are going to go right away to the greetings when introducing ourselves. It is so polite to begin with the greetings, and we say bonjour. Bonjour during the time, which is good day or hello, and bonsoir when the sun sets. It is good afternoon or hello. That is formal, and for the informal we say salut. So these are the greetings that we can have, and then after the greetings we are going to go to the name. What is your name? I'm going to give you many ways how the other person can ask you what your name is. There are so many ways, just like in English. So we are going to go right away, and we are going to begin with comment t'appelles-tu in the informal. Comment tu t'appelles, it is also informal. And tu t'appelles comment. For the formal, it's comment vous appelez-vous, vous vous appelez comment, or comment vous vous appelez. So when you hear any of these questions, please don't be confused. It means the same thing. What is your name? So after you reply, je m'appelle, you put your name. I am called, my name is, je m'appelle Rachel, je m'appelle Christia, je m'appelle Justa, je m'appelle Farouk. So sometimes they can ask you even in another way. Qui es-tu? In the informal, tu es qui? And the formal way, they're going to ask you, qui êtes-vous, monsieur? Vous êtes qui, madame? And here now you're going to say, je suis, you put your name. I am, je suis Rachel, je suis Christelle, je suis Jojo. So after that, now we are going to see the years. How old are you? Here we're going to see many forms of question formulation. So it is, quel âge avez-vous, monsieur? Vous avez quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? This is formal. Quel âge as-tu? And tu as quel âge? Don't be confused. All these mean how old are you? And you're going to answer j'ai, I have, j'ai, I have, j'ai 19 ans. So don't worry, we are going to cover all about numbers here because it's very important to learn numbers also in French. Videos are coming in. J'ai 21 ans. J'ai 50 ans. And j'ai 35 ans. So we know your name, we know your age. Now we want to know, where do you live, location, where do you live, place. So with this one here, I am also going to give you the many questions which can be given to you. Vous habitez où? Où habitez-vous, monsieur? That is formal. And for the informal, they're going to ask you, où habites-tu? Please don't be confused. Tu habites où? With this, you are going to reply precisely, j'habite à, you say the city where you live. J'habite à Paris. J'habite à Nairobi. J'habite à Strasbourg. J'habite à Tokyo. So sometimes they can ask you another way when this person wants to know where you come from as a country. D'où venez-vous? Vous venez d'où, monsieur? Ou tu viens d'où? D'où viens-tu? So with this one, sometimes people want to know where you come from as a country or a city, if it's a big city which is known. So you're going to say, je viens de, and you put the country. You put what you want. Je viens de Ghana. And now we are going to go to the occupation. What do you do for a living, place? Many questions can be asked to you which mean the same thing. Quel est votre travail? Quel est ton travail? Qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie? Qu'est-ce que tu fais de la vie? And c'est quoi votre job? Yes, in English we also use job. Or c'est quoi votre boulot? C'est quoi ton boulot? Vous faites quoi de la vie? Tu fais quoi de la vie? With this, you are going to say, je suis une ou un, and you put your profession. I am a doctor. Je suis un professeur. Je suis un avocat. Je suis une étudiante. With this, we know everything. Now we need to know your hobbies. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez faire? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? You're going to answer, j'aime, and you put what you like. And sometimes you can even answer, je m'intéresse à, and you put the noun. J'aime chanter, j'aime danser, and je m'intéresse à la natation. I love swimming. Je m'intéresse à la cuisine. I'm interested in cooking. So with all this, now we are going to the full introduction from the beginning up to the end, from the introduction up to the hobbies. Bonjour, je m'appelle Christelle, j'ai 40 ans, j'habite à Paris, je suis une infirmière, j'aime chanter. So with all this, today was long. With all this, I have to say bye to you. Thank you so much. Au revoir, and I see you in the next video.